How to fix Google Chrome account syncing issues. Browser is showing paused. Now, if you're using your Google Chrome browser, but then you're having the issues that is to sync the account, right? So syncing basically means if you have got a certain Google account logged in on this computer on your Google Chrome, the same account is also logged in on your mobile phone, then in that case, just to sync the browsing history, you have to enable sync. And if it gets disabled, then it might be telling you that you might need to re-verify your account credentials to be able to enable those syncing process again. Now normally when you get this and it's showing paused, when you click the pause icon, it will ask you to sign in, and if you click the Google profile from the top right there, you can just sync is currently enabled. So you can click there and just check if syncing is enabled. If it is turned off, let's say it is paused like this for some reason, you can always go ahead and select that, tap on sign into Chrome, and just select your Google account here and just relog into your account. And when you relog into your account, the syncing will be enabled back again. So this is the way on how we can do it. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.